Welcome back. Now, although Zapier gives you access to its scheduling app, you can also do automations with Google Calendar. And Google Calendar can be both a trigger, an action, and it can actually conduct searches. So in order to illustrate the kind of automation you can create, we're going to look for the productivity app Trello. And Trello provides a good example because we can see both sides of the Google Calendar action. For example, we can use Google Calendar as a trigger. We can also use Google Calendar as the action. So for this video, we're going to use Google Calendar as the trigger, and we're going to choose this Zap. And what we're going to start by doing is create this Zap. Again, the event on Google Calendar is going to be the trigger. We're going to click Continue. And then we're going to select a Google Calendar account. We're going to allow Zapier to manage our Google Calendar and click the Allow button. And then we're going to click Save and Continue. What we're going to do now is we're going to select a specific calendar. And then we're going to click Continue. Now, in order to test out the application, we're going to make sure that we have at least one recent event created. So we're going to create an event and click Save. And then we're going to go back to Zapier. We'll then click Fetch and Continue. We'll then verify that our test is successful. We then click Continue. And then we're going to move on to the part of the action where we begin to work with Trello. And we're going to create a card in Trello. We're going to test our Trello board connection. Once we verify that it works, we're going to click Save and Continue. And then we're going to choose a board within our Trello account. We're then going to choose a list within that board. We then want to look at our advanced options. Now, all of these give us additional options within Trello. We're now going to click Continue, and we're now going to send the test to Trello. Once the test is successful, we'll then click Finish. We have verified that our app is working. What we want to do now is we want to go to Trello. And we can see now that our card is created. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.